Hello to all channel members and friends watching this video. I'm Bella, and I'm here with another travel documentary. This time, we want to explore an ancient site in the heart of Italy. Tucked away in the sun-soaked region of Puglia, Italy, lies the picturesque town of Alberobello, a UNESCO World Heritage Site famed for its enchanting Trulli. These conical-roofed houses, with their whitewashed walls and distinctive architecture, transport visitors into a fairy-tale-like setting, making Alberobello a must-visit destination for travelers seeking unique cultural experiences. Alberobello's story is woven with history and tradition. The Trulli, believed to date back to the 14th century, were constructed using a prehistoric building technique without mortar and with a conical roof made of local limestone. Walking through the cobblestone streets, visitors are immersed in a living museum of these ancient structures, some serving as shops, cafes, or even accommodations for travelers. The beauty of Alberobello lies not only in its architecture, but in the authenticity of its community. Visitors can explore the Rione Monti district, home to over 1,000 Trulli, each unique in design and often adorned with symbols and motifs representing religious or superstitious beliefs. The Trullo Sovrano, a two-story trullo open to the public, offers insight into the life and history of the town. For the traveler, Alberobello offers a captivating experience. Wandering through the narrow streets, one can discover local artisans crafting traditional souvenirs, taste the flavors of Puglian cuisine in family-run trattorias, and immerse themselves in the warmth of Italian hospitality. The town also hosts various festivals celebrating its heritage, such as the Feast of Saints Cosmas and Damian, where locals gather to celebrate with music, food, and traditional dances. Visitors can take guided tours to learn about the history and significance of these unique dwellings, or simply meander through the streets, capturing the charm of the town with each step. Additionally, exploring the countryside surrounding Alberobello unveils stunning landscapes of olive groves and vineyards, offering a serene escape for nature enthusiasts. Alberobello stands as a testament to a bygone era, preserving its architectural heritage while embracing modernity. Its unique beauty and cultural significance make it a treasure for travelers seeking an authentic Italian experience. Whether exploring the Trulli, savoring local delicacies, or simply basking in the charm of this UNESCO gem, Alberobello promises a journey back in time and a glimpse into the soul of Italy. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share your comments with us and also share and like our videos. Until the next travel documentary video, take care.